If you guys want to make your lashes look fake without using fake lashes or extensions, then please keep on watching. Starting off on a fresh eye, we're going to be applying one thin coat of mascara while looking down in the mirror. That way you can curl your lashes naturally, and I'm going to be elaborating more on that later. As this is our first layer and we're going to be leaving it to dry, you really want to make sure you like the way it looks. You can even add a little more mascara now because it's going to be setting this way. And while you wait for it to dry, you can go ahead and do your makeup or just take a little break, because if they don't dry and you add more now, it's just going to turn into this hot, sticky mess and you don't want that. Now that your lashes are semi-dry, you can go ahead and add your second layer by adding the mascara predominantly on the bottom. The most important part is turning at the bottom and flicking at the top. That is the technique to adding the most amount of mascara on the bottom part of your lashes without it clumping at the top. Once you're satisfied with how your lashes look, go ahead and move on to your other eye. Really make sure you're looking down in the mirror and press up tightly against the lash line. That way your lashes can curl and set this way by drying, as opposed to a lash curler which just curls them for a moment and then they'll fall out during the day. Adding yet another layer, we're going to be concentrating it on the areas that are sparse, usually the inner portion of your eye. Now onto our fourth layer of mascara, and our fifth layer. Now, if you notice any of your lashes sticking down, that's not a problem. You're just going to have to take your hand and slightly with your fingers pull the mascara off of it. Don't pull your lash out, be careful, and just the end. We're going to slightly take the outer edge out. Ever so slightly. And there we go, it's gone. To clean up any mascara you might notice on your lid, we're going to be taking a wet wipe. Now notice the huge mess I made on the other eye. Just take a wet wipe and clean up the outer portion of your lid. Now that that's done, for the part closer to your lash line, we're going to be using a Q-tip, because that way it won't take off any of the mascara on your lashes. Be gentle and slightly rub your eyelid, and trust me, it's going to take away any of the residue. Don't forget to take a brush and brush away any of the residue that has fallen on your under eye. We don't want that to melt into your foundation during the day. Now, what I did was use eyeshadow on the outer edge just to make them look as voluminous as possible, as I don't have that many lashes. Even though they look full, they are not, trust me. Taking that dark eyeshadow, we're concentrating it predominantly on the outer portion of your eye, because that way it'll give a slight cat eye effect and look more natural. Taking the other eyeshadow, we're going to be blending that up into the eye from the lash line for a softer effect. That's about it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!